Welcome back to the business of trucks. Now, Trevor Holcroft is passionate about refrigerated trailers. He is the CEO of the SERCO Group, and he is also the founder, having started the company some 30 years ago. What was once dubbed as a small family business has grown rapidly into a refrigerated trucking empire, relying on their 400 employees in 3 divisions countrywide. The CNBC Africa team recently visited Trevor at SERCO's Johannesburg branch.
Striving for service excellence. That's the motto that Trevor Holcroft has built SERCO Industries on. They design and manufacture refrigerated trailers and trucks, as well as dry freight vehicles. And it all started with chickens.
Rainbow chickens were the biggest transporters of refrigerated products in KZN. And they had a definite need for somebody to do maintenance and repairs, accident repairs to their trailers. And we started SERCO to basically meet their requirements. And I think we did a very good job. And they eventually came along and said, look, can we build their new trailers? And we started building new trailers for them. And I think our fame spread countrywide. And it wasn't long before we started a branch up in Johannesburg and then basically down in Cape Town.
It began as a family business, but now the operation relies on their 400 employees, as well as directors and shareholders. One of the biggest challenges in this industry is meeting the growing needs of customers.
You can understand, like for the fast food industry, in one vehicle with a controlled temperature inside, they carry anything from dry goods, which are the containers that hold a hamburger, to their fruit salads and salads, which need to be at a separate temperature, and then their frozen goods, and they're all got to be handled inside the same vehicle. So those are all challenges, to be able to control temperatures, meet customers' requirements.
Going forward, Trevor would like to take more of an advantage of the exporting opportunities.
We do supply in North Africa, Zimbabwe, Botswana, and Namibia, Zambia, and some of the Indian Ocean islands. And yeah, look, export is something that's obviously great potential for us in the future.
But that's not all in SERCO's pipeline.
To refine our production systems, we're busy with lean manufacturing at the moment. And it's the only way that I believe that the company is going to be successful for the future. We know that Europe is going through torrid times as far as the industry is concerned. What we build in a year, some of those companies can manufacture in a month. And we understand that those guys over in Europe have the capacity to obviously dump their products here. So we need to produce a product that's of international standards, world standards, and that's the way that we're aiming at.
So would Trevor do it all over again?
We've been in existence now 30 years, which I suppose you could say is like a lifetime. People have asked me over the years, would I ever do it again in my life? And I say to them, well, I think next time around, if I had to do it jokingly, I'd probably want to be a watchmaker or something like that.
That doesn't sound right.
I would say that, yeah, I would certainly do it again. I've met many interesting people in the industry, and yeah, it certainly gets me out of bed every day.